In addition to its long list of features, the Jet Black 2 offers a touch of class with the addition of a subtle graphic applique. Constructed with a water-resistant 600 Rocktex shell, the Jet Black 2 features the unique Big Air ventilation system. A full front air intake system cleverly integrated into the front zipper, which connects to two subtle exhaust vents for a full flow-through effect. And under all this ventilation is a removable insulated vest liner. For protection, the Jet Black also features removable CE-rated armor in the elbows, shoulders, and has a removable spine pad. It is complemented by our SureFit adjustable waist, featuring 3 adjustable rear straps and elastic sleeve adjusters, ensuring form-flattering fit and comfort. Other details include reflective stripes and snap loops to cinch the jacket to your belt. Available in black with an expansive size range from extra small to 2 Diva. The Jet Black 2. Classic cut with a touch of style.